Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this simple pocket. Without wasting much time, let's dive right into it. If you're new to my channel, please give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe. Let's go. So what you want to do first, you want to cut out a fabric. You cut out your fabric. The dimension of this pocket, the wideness is about 5 inches. The length is about 6 inches or 6.5 inch. So what you want to do, you put soft gum stay inside. Put soft gum stay inside. Then you iron all around. Please ensure to leave about a 1 inch or half-inch allowance inside. So if you're cutting at 5 inches, you're going to leave about 7 inches for the wideness, then like 8 inches or 10 inches for the length, so that when folding you will get the size of this. So going down to the sewing, this is how I sew it. So you bring it to your machine, then you sew. Now the next thing you want to do is to get the middle of this your pocket. So you can just fold it like this. And just fold it like this. Use your chalk or you iron it. You get the middle. So after doing it like this, then you're going to sew like this. So take note, when you get to this place, about half-inch from here, or half-inch from here, you want to take your hands up. Let me quickly mark it so that we all can see it well. So you can use your chalk. So see, it's coming out already. So I'm just going to cut this out. So it's already coming out. So next thing, you want to leave a bit of space in the edge. Want to leave a bit of space here, then you create soap. So there you have it. So if you found this helpful, please like, share and subscribe. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.